2024 Best Dual Sport Motorcycle for Beginners Honda XR650L. As of 2024, the Honda XR650L stands out as an exemplary choice for beginners venturing into the dual sport motorcycle realm. Renowned for its rugged design, versatile performance, and Honda's commitment to reliability, the XR650L offers an ideal blend of on-road practicality and off-road prowess for novice riders seeking a dual sport experience. Powering the Honda XR650L is a robust 644 cubic centimeters, air-cooled, 4-stroke, single-cylinder engine. Designed for durability and low-end torque, this engine delivers a tractable power band that suits a variety of riding conditions. The XR650L's user-friendly performance allows beginners to confidently explore both city streets and challenging off-road terrains, making it a versatile choice for those new to the dual sport scene. Design-wise, the XR650L embraces a purposeful and timeless aesthetic, reflecting its dual sport capabilities. The bike features a rugged steel frame, a high-mounted exhaust, and a slim profile, contributing to its distinctive off-road appearance. The XR650L's design not only conveys durability and toughness but also signifies its ability to tackle diverse terrains, making it an appealing choice for riders who value both form and function in a dual-sport motorcycle. Comfort is a key consideration for dual-sport riders, and the Honda XR650L addresses this with its accommodating and rider-friendly design. The bike's comfortable seat, upright riding position, and wide handlebars contribute to an enjoyable riding experience, whether cruising on paved roads or navigating challenging off-road trails. The XR650L's comfort-oriented design encourages riders to embark on extended journeys with confidence. Handling is a standout feature of the XR650L, characterized by its stability and adaptability. The bike's long travel suspension, ample ground clearance, and lightweight chassis make it well-suited for off-road excursions, while its balanced design ensures nimble control on paved roads. Novice riders will appreciate the XR650L's forgiving nature, allowing them to develop their skills progressively while enjoying a stable and responsive ride in various conditions. Safety features are integrated into the XR650L, including a reliable braking system that provides ample stopping power. While ABS may not be standard on all models, the XR650L's overall design and performance contribute to a safe and enjoyable riding experience for beginners entering the dual sport realm. Affordability is a key factor contributing to the XR650L's appeal. With a competitive price point, the bike offers an accessible entry into the dual sport segment without compromising on Honda's reputation for quality and reliability. This makes the Honda XR650L an attractive option for beginners seeking a reliable and versatile dual-sport motorcycle that effortlessly transitions between on-road and off-road adventures. In conclusion, the 2024 Honda XR650L stands as an exceptional choice for beginners entering the dual-sport motorcycle arena. Its rugged performance, timeless design, and Honda's commitment to reliability make it an ideal companion for riders eager to explore a variety of terrains, establishing the XR650L as a top pick for those embarking on their dual sport adventures.